So hello everyone, I am Akash and I welcome you to this new video on the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can identify a hash and crack it using Hashcat. So I'm going to show you first of all how you can identify a hash. So if you have one hash, then there are two different ways that you can identify it, and you can crack it using Hashcat, which is a tool that is available with Kali Linux pre-installed, and is also available with Parrot, which is I'm using right now. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here I'm going to use these three hashes that I have in these files. So first two hashes, we know that this is the MD5 and this is an SHA-256 hash. The third hash, we don't know of which type this hash is. So first of all, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how you can identify a hash. So I'm just going to open Firefox. Okay, so here I'm going to search identify hash, and I'm going to use this website. So here, if you paste your hash and click on this analyze button, then it is going to show you of which type this hash is. So let me just go here and let's try this with MD5 hash. Copy this and let's paste it here, analyze. So as you can see, it is showing that it is of type MD5 or MD4, and the bit length, character length, so everything it is showing here. Okay, now let's try it with SHA-256. So let's copy this, paste, analyze. Okay, so as you can see here, it is showing SHA-256. So this is the correct one. Now there is another way that you can find of which type and hash is. For that, you have to open the terminal, and here I'm going to type hash identifier. So this hash identifier is one tool with which you can identify a hash. So let's copy this, paste it here, and as you can see, the hash is possibly MD5, so that is the correct one. Let's try another, this one, and it is SHA-256. So now that we know of which type the hash is, so we can crack it with Hashcat. So now let's run Hashcat help. So here you can see that there is one long list of these names of hashes and a number. So this number is the mode that you are going to use with Hashcat for cracking this specific hash. So if you know that it is an MD5, then you have to use this 0 as the hash mode for the Hashcat to know that this is the MD5 hash. So it is going to crack the MD5 hash that you have specified. And these are the different options that you can use with this command. So let's clear it, and what we are going to do is I'm going to write the command with which you can crack it, and I'm going to explain it what it does. So I'm going to write hashcat -m and 0 and then the name of the file, that is MD5 hash, and the name of the word list, that is rockyou.txt. So first of all, our name of the tool, that is Hashcat, M for mode, and it is 0 for MD5. This mode you can also find on the Hashcat website. So for that you just have to write generic hash type and write Hashcat. So here is the list of the hash modes and their names. So this is a very long list. So the one that we want to use is this one, that is MD5, and for that the mode is 0. So here I have specified the mode 0, the hash file, and the word list with which the hash is going to be cracked. So this is a rockyou word list which you will be able to find online, and I'm also going to give the link for that in the description down below. So this rockyou.txt contains a very long list of all the different kinds of passwords that the people use. So let's run this. And as you can see that it has cracked the hash, and the value for that is password 123. Now let's crack the SHA-256 hash. So I'm going to write the same things. I'm going to just change here to SHA-256.hash, and here I'm going to change the mode. So for that we are going to see the mode here, and for the SHA-256 it is 1400. So 1400, and as you can see it is also cracked, that is Xbox 360. So both our hashes are cracked. Now the third hash, we don't know what it is, so let's first identify the hash. Okay, so it is a SHA-1 hash, and now let's go into our terminal, and for SHA-1 I guess it is 100. Okay, it is mode is 100. So let's go here, and the name of our file is hash, and the mode is 100. And you can also check the status here with S, so it is going to show the status. Okay, so this hash is also cracked, and the value is hello friend. So all our hashes that I created are cracked. Now these hashes that I have created are with the names that are already present in the rockyou.txt. So the rockyou.txt is a very big list, but there will be times that you will not be able to crack the hash using Hashcat and the word list that is given here. So for that times you will also have to consider some different word list, or you have to create your own word list. But for now, as I've shown you that you can crack the hash using Hashcat very easily, and it is very fast. So it nearly processed these many iterations for cracking this password. So these were the 3 different hashes that you can crack with Hashcat, and there are many different kinds of hashes, and hashes with salt also that you can crack with Hashcat. So this is the way you can identify the hash and crack it. So in this video we talked about identifying the hash, which you can do using online portals and also using the hash identifier command. and then you can crack it using Hashcat. So all the links for the hash identifying website and the mode list of the Hashcat I'm going to give in the description down below. So go check it out there, and I'm also going to provide the link for the rockyou.txt, so you can check that out as well. So that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one.